Hi, my name is KATHURIA and I've completed my BBA from MIT Pune in 2023. So post my graduation, I was constantly searching for a program that can help me secure a placement in one of the big MNCs so that I can kickstart my career in the field of investment banking. That's when I came across investment banking and hedge fund program with Magic Institute of Excellence, and I'm here to share an honest review about the same. Thanks to their dedicated efforts, I was able to secure a placement as a valuations analyst at Nomura Bank. I would just like to say that this particular program has been a game changer for me. The program's comprehensive curriculum, its practical training, case studies, and practical simulations have been very instrumental in me clearing the particular process. It has equipped me with all the skills and confidence that I needed to clear each step of the interview. This program has separate learning material for investment banking, for hedge fund, as well as financial modeling. So this particularly helped me gain a very in-depth industry knowledge about all these financial products. The support that I've gotten from the faculty members who are exceptional in the field and also from the career services stream has been outstanding. They've guided me every step of the way, right from the initial aptitude test till the final interview, and I'm ever so grateful for their constant support. Apart from this, I would like to say that this program has sharpened my analytical skills, and of course it delved into the nitty-gritty of financial world, and it helped me further deepen my knowledge in my particular field of interest. I am extremely grateful to everyone at MIE for their constant support. It's because of their efforts that I could finally land a placement at Nomura Bank, which has always been my dream. I am immensely grateful to the entire team, and I've had a wonderful experience so far, so I would definitely highly recommend it to anybody who aspires to build a career in the field of investment banking, hedge funds, or financial modeling. This should be a go-to course, and I can guarantee that you will flourish with good colors once you enroll for it.